Welcome to Andover College Electrical Installation. Both myself, George, and my colleague John will help you every step of the way here. As you can see here, we are already on a testing stage. Basically, from the very beginning right through to the very end, we will help you achieve every step of the way. If you have a read on the right hand side, it basically tells you that we are setting you up to be electricians, or more than that, whether you're inspectors, whether you become designers, you will enter the industry ahead of the game. Because both myself and my colleague John, we are both from the industry. We both know what it takes to succeed, and that is why we are here teaching, is to help everyone who comes to us to get them to the place where they need to get to, same as we did. Our student here, after wiring the installation, we are teaching the student to basically test it, to make sure it's fit for purpose, to understand and apply the theory that was learnt in the classroom and to apply it to the workshop. So it's all about making sure the installation is safe to use, making sure you're putting your name to something that is safe and viable, and where you will basically progress every step of the way, making your game go higher and higher. In other words, your workmanship will become better and better. Every step of the way, we will help you. However, you do have to start somewhere. To start in the electrical at level 2, you need 2 GCSEs, grade 5 or above in maths and English. The rest of your GCSEs, grade 4 or above, hopefully. The level 3 is mainly for students who have done the level 2 elsewhere and are coming in. The main thing we demand of that is that you do have your level 2 qualification and that you have GCSE maths and English at grade 4 or above. This is our wonderful, fairly new future skills and technology building. Everyone in here has one purpose, right from the top tier management, right down to the tutors, to the learning support team. We're all here for your success. And I'm not just saying that, literally, for every one of you that succeeds and goes forward, it is literally what we are here for. We've done what we've done in our industry. We got ahead of the game, and then we've come back into teaching to help everyone come along with us. At the end of the day, we want you to succeed in whatever you choose to do, wherever you start. And that means what we'll do is basically place you where you're supposed to be at that moment in time to build up your education, and then you come right the way through to finish with us. We will set you up for the industry, and you will go into it knowing how to work, how to deal with people, how to handle situations, and basically how to really enjoy your time on site. And it all starts with enjoying your time in the classroom. That is one of the things that we can almost guarantee. Speak to anyone who's ever come here for the electrical part of it, at least. I'm sure that all the other departments will say the same thing, but they have enjoyed their time at the college, because we are very different from any other type of training. You will have fun, but you will learn loads, but it's also quite demanding, so you've got to be willing to put the time in. Bottom line, we will make sure that you know what you're coming into and where you're going to head to. We will make sure that your quality, the quality of your work, increases day by day.